Troy Sessions here. Today's episode, we're going to go over inventions and how they're not all created equal. That's right. A lot of us think of brick and mortar as a building, or maybe having a solid piece of fabric as an invention, or you could be thinking that it's going to require steel for your invention. But I don't think you realize that inventions can be creative in a whole different fashion, from a fragrance that you smell, to a cosmetic, to a color, to even logos, that you can come up with in your mind, and then you put a trademark on that, or you patent that product, and now you've got your own patent. Now, because I talk about patents, but the bottom line is there's a problem that needs to be solved, and you recognize that problem, and that's why you're the one that has the passion and the desire to come up and make that invention and bring it into reality. Which is really the bottom line for all inventions. It's about, don't sit there and think, what can I invent to make $1 million? Think about, what passion do I have? I mean, if it's baseball and you want to make a better bat, that's passion. If it's fishing and you've got a way to make a better fishing pole than anybody else, boom, that's passion. That's an invention. That's something to think about over and over and over. If you can reinvent the wheel and make it better, that's passion. It's got to come from your heart and your head, to create anything. It's just a matter of, for me, it was, I did a lot of flying across Alaska, and I had these needs that I had to figure out on my own. And I came up with something as simple as a piece of material, a bag, like a pillowcase, and I put a handle on the bottom to help me carry the heavy contents of the bag, put it in my plane. I had a need. I was suffering from a problem that nobody addressed, and I found a way to make that happen. So in today's episode, we're going to go over that right there.